Hey, Chef K, welcome back to the channel. We're doing loaded flat top home fries. We're slicing some red potatoes really thin using the food processor here. I'm going to show you what they look like. Pretty thin. They'll cook pretty quick. You need to soak these for 15 minutes and then drain them and then rinse them off and then put them in water again until you're ready to use them, and then you'll dump the water out and you can put them right on the grill. You don't have to dry them off, just drain the water off of them and they'll be ready to grill. You want to get that starch off of there. That's why we're going to soak them and rinse them. And you're going to put them in water till you're ready to use them so that they don't turn brown. They'll stay nice and white for you. I'm going to turn our grill up on high heat. Then when we get ready to put our bacon and pork on here, we're going to turn the grill down to a medium low. Just turn it up on high to get it going. We're going to lay our bacon out here. This is for our home fries. We're going to lay that on, put that on top. We're going to chop that up and put it on top of the home fries, as well as cheese and jalapenos. We've got some boneless pork chops here. We'll put those down as well. We're cooking dinner. We got the flat top de-winterized, got it all out, got it cleaned up. Working on getting the rest of the patio cleaned up. Flat top's good to go though. First time to use it since last summer. I'm gonna throw some seasoning on these pork chops. I like the Killer Hogs AP. It's garlic, salt and pepper, and a few other things. Got our grill down. Gonna flip these over. Looking good. I say running the grill on medium low. Out of practice. Get those pork chops flipped over. Oh yeah, those look good. Got some good caramelization on that side. Turn them over, let them go. Got a little bacon grease migrating over under the pork chops. That's not going to hurt a thing. That's what we're going to use for those home fries. We're going to scrape that grill down, get most of the bacon grease off, but we're not going to wipe it. We're just going to get some of the bits, push down the hole, and 70% of the bacon grease, and then we'll get our home fries on. Bacon's done. We're going to pull that off. We'll chop that up here in a minute. There you see we got a good amount of bacon grease. We're just going to shove the bits, and it's like say 70% of that bacon grease down the hole, down the grease trap. We've still got plenty of bacon grease on there for our home fries. We're going to do our seasoned green beans on here too. Makes them taste real good. That end of the grill down there we're just going to use as a warming area. I don't have that burner turned on. It's just nice and warm down there, so we're going to set our pork chops down there and let them hang out until we're ready to eat. Here we go. We've drained our red potato slices and we're putting them down. We'll spread them out as good as possible. Let them start cooking. We want to get them brown on both sides. Just finishing chopping up the bacon that we cooked a little bit ago. You know, I like the shears, kitchen shears. Looks like we're going to start flipping our potatoes, getting some color on them. Looking good. Have not cooked on my flat top since last summer. Cooked on the flat top at the hunting lodge. a lot. Cold weather. A little warm out here today. About 75. Get over that grill and it gets a little warm. Not bad. Feels good. We're going to season up those potatoes with that Killer Hogs AP as well. We'll keep moving them around, flipping them. Try to get them evenly done. We'll lay that cloche down and squirt some water underneath it from time to time. Get some steaming going on. Get these potatoes finished. Want them to be nice and soft. We don't want any al dente potatoes here. They're really thin, so it doesn't take long. Going down with those green beans. Got an empty spot, put them down. These are seasoned green beans in a can, 2 big cans. They've already got a lot of flavor. We're going to add a little more by grilling them up with a little bit of that bacon grease. Oh yeah. Can't spare any bacon for them. That's all going on the home fries. I'll turn the heat down just a little bit. Potatoes are getting along really well. We're just about done. About ready to lay some cheese down and lay some bacon down. We're going to go in with a few jalapenos. Got one of the grandkids' drink cups out with jalapenos in it. How about that? Get those jalapenos evened out a little bit. Not a whole lot of them. Everybody doesn't like it spicy like I do. Here we go. Grated cheddar. As you know already, I grate my own. I don't buy the bag stuff. I don't like the powder. I don't like that cellulose. It melts weird. The grated stuff melts so much better. And I grate it right before I use it so I don't have to worry about it sticking together. Pulling our pork off, getting it off the grill, flating it up. Get those green beans stirred around, get that bacon grease in there, get them all warmed up. I think we're just about ready to pull these home fries off. Thin red potatoes, grilled crispy, grated cheddar, a few jalapenos, put as many as you want on there, and a lot of bacon. I don't see anything wrong with that at all. That doesn't make me mad at all. Well, first run of the summer. I guess it's spring actually. For the flat top, my flat top anyway. Cooked all winter on the flat top out at the hunting lodge in New Mexico at 8,000 feet. Cooked breakfast sausage in 15 degrees one morning. That's exciting. All right, we're gonna pull those green beans off. They're looking good, and there we go. And there you go. Loaded cheese home fries, and there it is on the plate with some sriracha. Thanks for watching.